ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? በዛሬው ትምህርታችን ማለት ነው የ12ኛ ክፍል የኢኮኖሚክስ ትምህርት ሪቪው ኤክሰርሳይዝ ዊዝ ኤክስፕላኔሽን ማለት ነው እንማማራለን። እናንተ ደግሞ የበልጥ እያነበባችሁ ማለት ነው ሀሳብ አስተያየት መስጠት ትችላላችሁ። ወደ ኤክስፕላኔሽኖቹ ከመግባታችን በፊት ለዩቲዩብ ቻናሉ አዲስ የሆናችሁ ተማሪዎች የዩቲዩብ ቻናሉ አዲስ ስለሆነ የእናንተን ተሳትፎ ይጠይቃልና ሰብስክራይብ፣ ላይክ እና ሼር እንድታደርጉ በዚህ አጋጣሚ ጠይቃችኋለሁ። ላይክ፣ ሰብስክራይብ እና ሼር ስለምታደርጉ ደግሞ ከወዲሁ አመሰግናለሁ። አሁን ቀጥታ ወደ ሪቪው ኤክሰርሳይዝ መስራት ነው የምንገባው። እንግዲህ መጀመሪያ ላይ የተጠየቃችሁት ፓርት ዋን ትሩ ፎልስ ነው። እንግዲህ የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ there is no difference between micro and macro ይላል። መልሱ ፎልስ ነው። ኤክስፕሌን ሲደረግ ማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ and macro economics are distinct branches of economics. Micro studies the behavior or individual economic units like household and firm, how a single price is determined. Macro studies the economy as a whole, forecasting aggregate phenomena like total output, national income, and the general price level ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛው ጥያቄ ማክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ focuses on the economy as a whole የሚል ነው ጥያቄው። ይሄ ራይት ነው፣ ትክክል ነው ማለት ነው። This is the correct definition of macroeconomics. It analyzes economic wide issues such as economic growth, inflation, unemployment, and the balance of trade between export and import. ሶስተኛው ጥያቄ ማይክሮ here micro economic goals include achieving high economic growth, promoting maximum employment. ይሄ ፎልስ ነው። ኤክስፕላኔሽኑ the goal listed high economic growth, maximum employment, stable price are the primary objectives of macroeconomic policy, not microeconomic policy. Microeconomics is concerned with efficiency in individual market. አራተኛው the balance of trade is the difference between export and import of goods and services of a country for a given period ነው የሚለው። ይሄ absolutely true ነው። This is a precise definition of the balance of trade. It is a key component of the border balance of payment. አምስተኛ monetarists prescribe active fiscal policy to alleviate weak aggregate demand. This is false. This is the view of the Keynesian school of thought. Monetarists led by Milton Friedman argue the fiscal policy is ineffective and the monetary policy is the primary tools for addressing macroeconomic problems ማለት ነው። ኤክስፕሌን ሲደረግ ማለት ነው። ፓርት ቱ ዩኒት ዋን ላይ የተሰጣችሁ ጥያቄ መልቲፕል ቾይስ ነው። እንግዲህ which one of the following is not a macroeconomic question ነው የሚል ምርጫው ላይ ማለት ነው። what causes a firm to grow ይሄ የማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክ question ነው። ኦፕሽን ኤ and B and C all deal with aggregate economy-wide outcomes, level of economic activity, total national product, total jobs. Option D is a question about the individual field, which is the focus of microeconomics. ሁለተኛው technological change has the largest impact on which the form of unemployment ይላል። structural unemployment. Structural unemployment is caused by mismatch between the skills of the workforce and the needs of the economy. Technological change can make certain skills obsolete, directly lead to this type of long-term unemployment. Frictional unemployment is a short-term and voluntary, while cyclicality linked to the business cycle. ሶስተኛው ጥያቄ if the national economy is closed, country has no interaction with the rest of the world, means GDP and GNP ምን ይሆናል? እኩል ይሆናል ማለት ነው። GDP is the value of output produced within the country's borders. GNP is the value of output produced by the country's national, regardless of location. The difference is the net factor income from abroad. In closed economy, there is no international flow of factor income. So net factor income is zero, making GDP and GNP are equal, means the gross domestic product and the gross national products are equal. Which one of the following refers the recurrent ups and downs in the level of the economic activity? This is the business cycle. No ሚሆን The business cycle is defined the recurring fluctuation in economic activity, including period of expansion, boom, and contraction, means recession, an economic boom A and trough B are specific phases of this cycle, not the cycle itself. 5. Number 5. አምስተኛው ጥያቄ one of the following is not true about the evolution and recent development of macroeconomics. The answer is D. Monetarists argue that it is a physical policy and not monetary policy that addresses the macroeconomic policy. This statement is the opposite of monetarist view. Monetarists like Milton Friedman famously argue that the inflation is always and everywhere monetary phenomena, and the monetary policy is not physical policy. It's the key to addressing macroeconomic issue like inflation. ሶስተኛው ፓርት ዩኒት ዋን ላይ የተሰጠ ሾርት አንሰር ነው። ዋት ኢዝ ኢኮኖሚክ ግሮዝ? ኢኮኖሚክ ግሮዝ ማለት ማለት ነው ኢት ሪፕሬዘንትስ ዘ ኢንክሪዝ ኢን ዘ ካፓሲቲ ኦፍ ኢኮኖሚ ቱ ፕሮዲውስ ጉድስ ኤንድ ሰርቪስስ ኦቨር ኤ ፔሪድ ኦፍ ታይም። ኢትስ ታይፒካሊ ሜዠርድ ባይ ዘ ፐርሰንቴጅ increase in the real domestic product and the real gross domestic per capita. It is necessary condition for achieving higher income and improved living standards. Differentiate ሁለተኛው ጥያቄ GDP and GNP. The answer is gross domestic product is the total market value. It is the total market value of all goods and services produced within a country borders in a given period, usually in a year, regardless of the nationality of the producers. Gross national product means is the total market value of all final goods and services produced by factors production owned by country citizens, nationals, regardless of where they are located in the world. The relationship is in here, gross national products equal to gross domestic products plus net factor income from abroad. Net factor income is the income earned by domestic citizens from foreign investment minus income earned by the foreigners within the domestic economy. What is inflation? ሶስተኛው ጥያቄ ኢንፍሌሽን ምንድን ነው? Is a sustained and continuous increase in the general price level of a goods and services in an economy over a period of time. It erodes the purchasing power of money. The rate of inflation is calculated as the percentage change in the price index, like the consumer price index CPI, from one period to the next. አራተኛው ጥያቄ የጠየቃችሁት ወይም the question 4, what are the different types of unemployment and their cause? The frictional unemployment is one of the types of unemployment. This is a short-term unemployment that occurs when workers are temporarily between jobs or searching for their first job. It's caused by the normal turnover in the labor market and the time takes to match workers within the jobs. The second type of unemployment is structural. This occurs in the long run, while the frictional is short run. Mismatch between the skills of the workers and the requirements of available jobs. Causes include technological change in the decline of certain industries and lack of the necessary skills in the labor force. The third types of cyclical unemployment is there is unemployment that results from downturn in the business cycle. This means a recession or depression. It's caused by the deficiency of aggregate demand in the economy. This is the result of cyclical unemployment if there is a recession or depreciation. አምስተኛው ጥያቄ የተጠየቃችሁት ማለት ነው what define trade or business cycle and its phases? Answer. Business cycle refers the recurring but not periodic fluctuation in the level of economic activity around its long-term growth trend. It has four distinct phases. Number one, expansion, a period of increasing economic activity characterized by rising GDP, employment, and price. Peak, the highest point of the cycle where the economy is at maximum output and employment is at or near full employment. በኤክስፓንሽን እና በፒክ መካከል ያለውን ልዩነት ማወቅ ይገባቸዋል። ኮንትራክሽን ኦር ሪሲሽን የምንለው ደግሞ a period of declining economic activity የሚቀንስበት የሚወርድበት characterized by falling GDP, rising unemployment, and decreasing pressure on price. Trough, the lowest point of the cycle from which the next phase of expansion begins. Number 6, write the difference between the balance of trade and the balance of payment. በባላንስ ኦፍ ትሬድ እና ባላንስ ኦፍ ፔመንት መካከል ያለው ልዩነት ምንድን ነው? ባላንስ ኦፍ ትሬድ ስንል the narrow concept that records the difference between the value of country's export of goods and services and its import of goods and services over a period. Balance of trade means there is a systematic record of all economic transactions between a country and the rest of the world. It is a much broader statement that includes the balance of trade, but also records flow of investment, income, debit, and service payments, grant loans, and financial capitals. The balance of payment is divided into current account and capital account. ከረንት አካውንት ምንድነው? ካፒታል አካውንት ምንድነው የሚለውን ከመጽሐፋችሁ ላይ ማየት ትችላላችሁ። ሰባተኛው ጥያቄ list and briefly explain the difference school of thought in the macroeconomics. Classical school of thought አንዱ ነው። It believes the market's self-correction ነው። and Keynesian emerged from the Great Depression በ1930 almost አካባቢ ማለት ነው። argued that economies can be equilibrium at less than full employment due to insufficient aggregate demand. The prescribed active fiscal policy ያለው ማነው? ኬኒሺያን ነው ማለት ነው። ሞኔታሪስት ደግሞ ያለው ምንድነው? led by the Friedman that argued the primary causes of the macroeconomics instantly special inflation is inappropriate changes in the money of supply. This prescription is monetary policy and often advocate for constant growth rates of the money supply. The new classical is the other, built on classical ideas but incorporate rational expectation. They believe the systematic economic policy is ineffective because the people will anticipate such effects and act accordingly. The new Keynesian accepted some ideas from new classical schools like rational expectation, but argue that market imperfection like sticky wage and price mean the government intervention can still be effective in stabilizing the economy. Thank you for watching. ስላዳመጣችሁኝ እጅግ አድርጌ አመሰግናለሁ። የዩኒቲ ዋን ሪቪው ኤክሰርሳይዝ በዚህ ይጠናቀቃል ማለት ነው። አመሰግናለሁ።